Installing a processor heatsink. Attention! If there is any old thermal grease on the processor, gently clean it off using an alcohol cleaning pad. To install the processor and heatsink, align the guide pins on the processor socket with the heatsink and then insert the heatsink into the processor socket. Use a Phillips screwdriver to fully tighten the captive screws in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Important: to prevent damage to the processor, make sure to follow the tightening sequence indicated on the heatsink label. Install all the memory modules. Align the memory module with the slot. Firmly press both ends of the memory module straight down into the slot until the retaining clip snaps into the locked position. To install the riser assembly on the node, connect the power cable to backplane 1 and then connect the other cables from the riser assembly to the node. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Note: make sure to adjust the processor air baffle according to the configuration. Align the front of the riser assembly with the edge of the chassis and then lower the riser assembly into the node. To secure the riser assembly to the node, fasten the 3 captive screws on the top of the riser assembly. Fasten the 3 screws at the sides of the node. Fasten the 2 thumb screws at the front of the riser assembly. Reinstall the PNB air baffle. Reinstall the top cover. Turn the node over so that the bottom side faces up. Use the key to lock the node covers.